Welcome students, we are new class of English. Today I am going to teach you where to use a and where to use an. Already yesterday's YouTube video class, I hope all of you have gone through it, and over there I have given you this explanation regarding where to use a and where to use an. Today we are going to do one activity with pictures. Here the activity is, here you can see some pictures, and with the help of these pictures we are going to find out where to use a and where to use n. I would request all the students' parents to please put the attendance for their ward. I will check it later on. Now let us concentrate on the class. So here this is eagle. So E for eagle. So the first letter of eagle is E, which is vowel. Okay. So here we will write an eagle. An eagle. Next comes apple. So apple starts with the letter A. Eagle starts with the letter E. First letter of apple is A, and A is vowel. So what we will do? An apple. The word which starts with vowel A, E, I, O, U, and the words which starts with the consonant, these two differences we have to understand. The words which starts with A, E, I, O, U, we will write N before them, and the words which starts with consonant, we will write A before them. Okay. Now let us do that one. Here is duck, right? So duck starts with D. It's a consonant. So a duck. Here comes a duck. We will place article A before this one. It's a duck. Next is egg. So here egg starts with E. E for egg. So we will place, it's a vowel, so we will place N before it. An egg. An egg. Okay. Next is umbrella. So it starts with the letter U. The first letter of umbrella is U, right? So an umbrella. It's a vowel, so we will place N. An umbrella. Next, elephant. Elephant, that is the first letter is E. E for elephant, and it is a vowel, right? So we will write N. An elephant. An elephant. Next comes bus. B. The first letter is B. First letter is B. So here comes a bus. It's a consonant. So there are words which starts with vowel. We have placed N before them. The words which starts with consonant, we have placed A before them. Okay. So let us see. An eagle. An apple. A duck. An egg. An umbrella. An elephant. A bus. So here again the explanation is very clear that the words which starts with A, E, I, O, U, we will place an before them, because the word which starts with vowel letters or sound, we place an before them, and The words which starts with consonants, we place a before them. Okay. So students, today it's the activity time. So we did one activity with A or N, and now we are going to start with our activity book. So all of you, please open your activity book. Antarjita Chaudhary, Antarjita, please disconnect the call and join us once more. And still, if you are facing any problem, you just contact with school front office. Okay. Molla, I think there is any network problem because rest of the students can see me. So you just disconnect the call and join us once more. So activity book of English, page number 7, write down classwork date, and I will tell the students to do along with me, and no one will send the image after completing the work because I am going to upload this assignment on ePortal. You will complete and you will click the picture and send the image over there on ePortal. Okay. So write A or N for the words given below. Now students, let me set the camera on this our board so that you can see the writing properly. Okay, I am just coming within 1 second. Page number 7, activity book. First one, dash egg. So here egg, E, so it should be an egg, it's a vowel sound. Next is dog, a dog. Next, astronaut, an astronaut. Dash elephant, an elephant. Dash mat, a mat. Dash bat, a bat. Dash rat, a rat. Dash rat. Next, let me see. Okay, I'm just going upwards because I can see after this it won't be visible for all of you. তোমরা কেউ দেখতে পাবে না. I'm just writing over there. There's an owl, an aeroplane, a pot, a lion, an ostrich, a cat, an eagle, a fan, I hope everyone has completed. Molla, please communicate with school front office. Molla, please communicate with school front office for this technical assistance. I hope everyone has completed this part. Shall I rub this one? Yes or no? Shall I rub this part? Yes or no? Shall I rub this part? Yes or no? Please confirm. Those who are doing with me. Okay. So I am just
सुशांत सर दा काउके डाको
Class is going on. Just check it. Okay, next we have completed up to fan. Here comes arrow, A consonant, N arrow. Next comes ink pot, I'm very sorry, A is not consonant, A is vowel. I'm very sorry students. I is in vowel, N ink pot. Next dash rabbit, a rabbit. Dash pen, a pen. Dash umbrella, an umbrella, an umbrella. Niladri, board is very clear over here. We don't have any technical problems, Niladri. Board, you can see board very clearly. So please check your network connection. Maybe there is any problem with your network connection. Everything is going fine over here. So now put a cross against the ones that are wrong. So we are going to put the cross against the ones which are wrong, as well as we are going to put a tick against the words which are correct. Okay, so let us do it. This is the lower portion over here. So and mango, it's a wrong one because M is a consonant and it should be a mango, not an mango. Next is a fish, it's the right one. Next, a bus, as we did in the activity also, a bus, so it's the correct one. A car, C is a consonant, so it's the correct one. An owl, O vowel, so it's the correct one. N has been placed, and here a elephant, so it's the wrong one because E is a vowel sound. E is a vowel sound and it has been placed A, so the statement is wrong. Statement is wrong. Okay, so I hope everyone has completed. Everyone has completed. If you have completed, no need to send the image. কেউ ছবি পাঠাবেন না, কেউ ছবি পাঠাবেন না, because I am not going to check it over here. This assignment will be uploaded on ePortal. This assignment will be uploaded on ePortal and I am going to check over there only. So students, take care of yourself. I will be back again with your science class. Bye bye.